Hello, I am Biplab Kaur Pandey from Nizamuddin Degree College. Dear students of class 11 and 12, once again I welcome you to my English grammar class. Topic of today is transformation of sentences, episode simple to complex, episode 2. Rule number 2. If the simple sentence starts with instead of, then we have to use though or although instead of, in spite of. Then next possessive case is transformed into nominative case. If there is no any possessive case, we have to brought subject from the next person. Then we have to change being, having or verb plus ing into a main verb. Then the given adjective, if there is noun, we have to change it into an adjective. And then second portion, if the subject of the second portion is a noun, it should be pronoun. For example, in spite of his being ill, he came to college. Or in spite of his illness, he came to college. Or in spite of illness, he came to college. The complex form, though he was ill, he came to college. But if there is in spite of in the second clause, we have to use though or although in the second clause. For example, the man is honest in spite of his being poor, or the man is honest in spite of his poverty. Complex form, the man is honest though he is poor. Rule number 3. If the simple sentence starts with because of, here we have to use as or since instead of because of. Then next possessive case is transformed into nominative case. Or if there is no possessive case, we have to bring subject from the next person. Then being, having or verb plus ing is changed into main verb, or a suitable verb is brought. Then given adjective, if there is no adjective, the noun is changed into adjective, then comma, then second person. If the subject of the second person is a noun, its pronoun is used. For example, because of his being ill, he could not come here. Or because of his illness, he could not come here. Or because of illness, he could not come here. Complex form, though he was ill, he could not come here. But if there is because of in the second clause or second portion, we have to use since or as in the second clause. For example, he could not come here because of his being ill, or he could not come here because of his illness. The complex form is he could not come here since he was ill. Dear students, this is all for today. I hope you remain safe and sound. Thank you.